After a team eruption over Kelo, Mr. Content on the Chinese Rainy Place Michael Chen, real estate. Niya masuk first time start, Brother start and we can talk one story when we talking about. We start, time we move, di lang mo ikam lo matanoy, kasi on that street Rainy lo, nungga. We facing challenge. We start lo town, I'm saying easy lo because we start lo house where sister and we walk lo bank na we say go kam lo. Time you see town na miklakan at lo hotel lo we start lo matoks na. We start on the Bosman Street now. This is time we facing challenge now. Time sabat, we say like go lo to and got some type of talk by come out. So we say try and best lo we say pray lo we go na. Every Sabbath now, I'm learning you can go lo to. So and one month we say go lo to lo ngayon this na dikit church kan lo ya. Nino mari ket lo ya. Mista single ito sen, nabiwag lo kam lo to, karing Bible lo mi, iya hata iya lo disla ola nonga, all people lo nonga, all iluki mi, all ita tayo lo sabat mi se wo oba, lo disla mi se lo, mi se kam lo to, wala bitla, hindi mo like sharing, hindi ka tamamas, iya mamas lo, now becomes na. Time stop to this last street, the Matox, Mido Bin San. He got one of the family stop way. Now, he got two black men back to the two black back streets. What we walking to this last street, and Bosman look and say, Gigun Kai Kai Lomi. Ola Kai Kai and say, Kari Mikam, you must go looking. Mama brought this la family and say, and come up, she start Lomi and make you. When we baptize, we see come inside of this church. We say, "Pili mo want to kai mo." No, look glory. Go to we got plan for this family. That's why na misana to yan. We got big lang na master. Time we stop on this street. Mercury Salma on start. We will say bokam on this lobby. We are mga student time we will say lobby lang. Igo go na. Church ni go organize lo tawi. We come na we go na. One big something we go because we really need one idea where we come up with blow to here and punish. We will faithful. We will not have we. All making one office inside the church and sing praise leader we for stand. Na two big wire must at the same time. This is a whole year we start with Tawi and Tawi organized. And we start with this man. We wala master na we song leader. We don't have sabi of this man. All brother mo niyo sabi but because no faithfulness lo belong God. God and killing this na sabi ng star. Iko ina. Mibla lo tulong at now we using no kan mibla go lo ina. This la big church ya. And now we house in the Islam. Ni kan na join this church. So, lobi lo kam sana ko yan, diya mamas because inside the stubbornness lobi or walk about lobi the Islam all time, tough times when we stop. We na sabi sen, we got family while joining church finish. We got kupla where we baptize finish. We come inside the Islam church where now this the new plan church we organizing. Na stay inside the Islam family where Uncle Blomi married to me. And we'll be there to stop inside finish the church. So, one of the big something we looking, we got big lamamas. Nami ko thank you for support from the leaders. Me come here, na building work the church. Now church we organize. So, church we give you one from walking, we back continue loading work. In our Jesus and come. Not this in the world, so let's go and prepare. Thank you.